Hello guys, hope you're well. Welcome to another episode of Salesforce Courses. Today we will still go on with Arbeitszeiten, and so I just will post it in chatter and then we can go on. Yeah? Great, so let's go for it. First of all, it's public, it's fine. You need again to go to this one. Also this one. So we still have some stuff in here that we don't need, and we just want to make sure that we are opening all the stuff we need. And so we have something like ABZ. This one. We need also the mock and also the test. Okay, in the mock we need to put some stuff for sure. I guess we wanted to test the stuff, and so we need to do it like this. And so let's go how to do this again. Salesforce Apex mock. Yeah. Using mocks. That's going to be an idea, as you can see here. Okay. Okay, great. Is it the one we had last time? No. I guess we just need the implementation. That is why we got a logo like no, that's not implement, sorry, it's already implementing, so we go like this. Yes, that's gonna be the interface. That's great. And I guess we have this one. That's good. Great. So this is going to be the stuff. Let's put it into the test class or into the class. Now we just need to get some stuff out of here. So first of all, we just put in some, we will just not return anything. Yeah. I don't want to go through the code, so I'm gonna it's pretty primitive, but also effective. And so exception, we go like the EQ, what is written in there. And so based on this, we should get out something. So there's gonna coming in the first request, and so it's gonna doing it. So we're gonna do it like this. You say test.start test, test.stop test, and then we're gonna go like setting the mock. I guess that's gonna be the mock. So it's gonna be the mock. That's good. And also we need to test this for sure, so let's go for it. Another test, so fake response, okay. We need to set the mock for sure. Yeah. Let's say we are just creating a simple request, so gonna go like this, and then we just say mock class. Now we will just say set it here. Then we will set this one. We just get a new instance of this. Oops. We're getting an instance of this. And this is gonna be for sure this class. Yeah. We just need to put in this class because it's gonna be this class, and then we need to put in an instance of this class. so it's gonna be fine, I guess. Okay. And now we just do it like this. We already did this one, so we are creating some working times. And so this is gonna happening in here. We are just creating some working times, and within there's gonna coming a response, and so this response is gonna taking care. So let's see what's coming out. Supply type is not an interface. That's correct. That's HttpCalloutMock. HttpCalloutMock. Actually, that should be a mock. Yeah. Supply type is not an interface. Okay. Let me see in which line it is. I guess it's worthwhile to set it only to debug. But no, the supplied something. Oh, sorry. Supplied. Yeah. Supply type is not an interface, so I just type it here and then. Okay. I just need to put in the mock. Okay, my bad. I just need to put in this one, not the class, and then I need to put in an instance. So that's going to be the error, and then we go like run test again. List is now for assignment. Okay, to as object. Download the stuff. Let's go for this Google Launch Page controller. Okay, I need to create this. Maybe I should put in some words we have covered today. So let's say we just put in the HttpCalloutMock. I'm just putting in the description for you. Gonna be this. The HttpCalloutMock, I think that's fine. And how to test callouts. How to test callouts. So within my organization, I just need to put in some stuff. That's why I'm putting it in here. Something like setup, I think. I need to set up the connections, and for sure maybe the triggers, but let's see if we need it. If we don't need triggers, I don't need to implement them, or I don't need to set up them. And so we have the endpoint and something, and we are getting the stuff right here. That's like supply, no. What is that called? System HTTP request. Okay. This is gonna be the HTTP request. Yes, and that's coming out of the response. Method like get trashed. So API files null. It's gonna be a file. That's gonna be a null file, to be honest. That's good to know. Let's figure out where this is coming from. I think that's we want to have some children, okay? And so we want to have some children, and then we are getting out some children. Yeah, that is what we're gonna do. And so we're gonna do it like if it's it will take out the children, and we will put it into some static resources. Yeah. Let's go for children. And so we need to put it in like here, get Google children, and then it's getting the children for sure. Okay, it's already getting the children, but what I want to do is I just want to get out the children from there and want to know which response would I get. Yeah, that's why I will just put I will get the response from there, and then with this response, that's my example response. That's why I'm going here, getting the stuff, and then I just create a new create a new one here, a new method of Google children. I guess I will do it like ID3. Add ID3. Then we're gonna go like get Google children. Okay. We are getting the children. Let's go. We are getting the children via the folder. Okay. Let's go. Maybe we have more get children in here. We don't, I guess. No, we just have this one in here. And so by now I will just put it in like public string get Google children string. Yeah. It's like not a, let's say response. Yeah. We are getting the response, and with this response we can get it. So in here we are creating the endpoint. That is fine in my opinion. But what I need to do is I need to get the response for sure. Yeah? I need to get the response, and so it's going to be the request here. We're putting out the debugs because they are just stealing performance, and then here we are sending the stuff. And this is gonna be the children for sure. We need to get the same parameters. So with the same parameters, we can also just put it like this. Yeah. Then we have all the stuff in here. We will return the children string. And then also we have the ID3 begin. And then also the ID3 end. That's going to be the children string. Also we have the children string in here. And we are getting the children string by this. Getting the stuff. And then we just put in next token. And also the folder ID. That's going to be the children string. So it's ID3. It's safe. And we're going to have it. Yeah. It's going to be the children string. So we have the opportunity to get the children string and to just get it correctly. Yeah. What we're going to do as well, we just put in a get Google children with the children string. And so we go like public string get Google children. No, it's not going to be a string. It's going to be the map. We are putting in one string. That's going to be the children string. The children string we put in here. So we're going to get the Google children. And we're going to go like children string. Yeah, actually it's going to be like this. We will return the map with the children string. And also we will return response string, response string, and then we will put back or push back the get Google children with just one parameter. That's the children string. And so we don't need the folder ID or something. We just can get it from here for sure. And that's going to be the same. Yeah, it's going to be the same. It's the same change. Let's go for it. HTTP Google request is already in there. That's great. We just have made sure that it's already in there. That's fine. And so we go in here. Sorry, that was the wrong. Yeah, we're just using the new string, I would say. Yeah. Then we just make sure that we can read it a little bit better, and that is why we just get like the children string, and then we go like almost this one, like this one, but we're just getting the response string from there. We're getting the response string. And so get Google children from the children string, so we don't need to do it again, just to make the stuff as it is. So we have the map, it's pretty much the same what is written here, but now we are able to yeah, hit it back, I would say. I would say system.debug, just to make sure that we get everything in there. We will hit like this. That's gonna be the children string to be able to look for it, and also put it in. Hit save. Then we have the children string in there, and then we can just get it. Yeah. Then we have the static resources. The static resources we have to create the stuff. So it's like getting a new resource, and then we will put in the ticket. For sure, that's gonna be the ticket, and also I will put in some stuff like it's gonna be the Google children. So we are able to understand this, and so this is gonna be the stuff, but we need to put the white answer in there yet. So we're gonna try it out. We will just execute it. Wait a little bit, so it's getting all the stuff and making what it should make. Takes a little bit time for sure. And so let's see, download. It's gonna be the children's string, and the string is gonna go like this. So we will take this. Let's go like, we're just putting in the stuff in here. And then what's gonna be, I also need to put in the name for sure. So I put in the same name as in here. I think it's gonna be there, yeah. And then we will hit save. Then we're gonna get the stuff from here, I guess. I think it's this one. Then I hit, let's say public and save. Now we have a new static. Yeah. Static resource. This is what we're gonna add here as well. We just add a static resource. ABZ. Okay, it's gonna going in. Let's clear this one. So we have all the children in there, and we also have like, let me see, what was this stuff? This stuff. Oh, I already closed it. Okay, now we have the stuff in here, and so if the let's go to it. It's okay. We can say if this endpoint is gonna coming, not like this. Let's say HTTP request. Yeah. Let's say system. Yeah, the HTTP request. Then we can get the method and also just the endpoint, right? We will just get the endpoint. So like this. And then I go like in the mock, and then I will say if wag dot get endpoint dot equals this one. Then we also gonna go like return, so we don't want to make this. And also we want to return a response, so we're gonna go like HTTP response. It's the same as new HTTP. HTTP response. Hit save. Let's give it a try. Number 11, no. Missing return, oh sorry, return null, return resp. Inval HTTP, yeah, for sure, response, not respond. Hit save. and then we say like response dot set body. We need to set a body for sure. We also need maybe the status. We can put the status, but we need for sure the body. So the body is of interest. That's why we need a body, and to make sure that it's getting the right stuff and it's creating something, yeah, based on this static resource. So we also need to get the static resource, like apex static resource. So we're gonna get it like the body. We're getting the static resource. Static resource, I just need this static resource for sure. So I'm gonna put it in here. And then I will get the resource and then also the body. Yeah. So I got the body in there, and then it's gonna be fine in my opinion. But otherwise it will just show another error and another response, right? Let's go for it. Let's test it again. Sorry, that was not the one. For sure this one. And we go like this. No content to map to object due to end of input. Okay, let's see why is that. Let's put it over here. What is it called? No content to map. What is that? Deserialize untyped. Okay, it's like this. We just have to read this for sure. So we're gonna go like creating working times, and then in the line number 44, and then it's gonna go like this. Let's say I'm doing this again, so to make sure that the code is running properly at least. So on the one hand you must begin from a working position. For this you would have to take care that you know about automation theory, something like this. You are in a working state, and then you're going to another state, and maybe that's going to be the target state. Somewhere you need to be in a target state, but for sure you need to have some steps in between to find the solution, or to find one solution in the space. Actually that should be fine, to be honest. What is it here? That's gonna be the children string, okay. Read metadata. Okay, that's gonna be the metadata. So we don't have any string in here. That is gonna be the metadata string. Yeah, and if we, the response is in here, like this, okay. And otherwise there will come a description, but in here we just have the metadata type. So this is gonna be a deserialized untyped. And maybe, let's see, that should be also the same, yeah. What is it called? URL. In here we will just put in, not like this. We're getting the stuff, okay. And now we're getting the metadata map. And then we put in like system.debug the metadata string. Hit save. That's gonna be the metadata string. And then we just will have it. We hit this one now. We just hit execute again. In between we make sure that everything is fine, but I think this one is fine, and the next I will just prepare a new resource, because we will put in a new resource for the metadata map. And so I will just create a new one. Let's hit new. Let's hit this one. Not children response string. It's like the metadata string for sure. So we're gonna get it. We will download this one. Get the stuff out of here. It's a little bit short, to be honest. I guess. Okay. No, I know. It's gonna be the metadata string. So this is what we're gonna put in here. The metadata. And for now, I want to make sure the metadata string that we are getting the right stuff. Let me see, maybe we're just calling it like this, just to make sure that we get the right the date. And also we need to put in the user story in there. So that's better, okay. Like this, hit save. That's fine, we need the data. One of those, it's like the children response no. No, like this. Let's say we are going to downloads. Neuen Fenster öffnen. Let's go like this one. Let's hit a new folder. Let's go like this. And we are just collecting this one like here, just to be able to have an overview again. It's gonna be the October. Hello. Thank you. And now we have the data right in here, right? Okay. We have put in the right stuff into the static resource and make it public as well. And then we have the static resource. Okay, let's go like this. Okay, sure. I didn't load it properly. It's the metadata string, hit save. Okay. Yeah, then just use the number, that's fine. Hit save. Hit save. Must begin with a letter, okay. Maybe we can just put it like this. And then let's say S or SR. Hit save. It's not gonna working out, so we go like underscore 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 underscore. Hit save. Then we just put in the static visors for sure. That's gonna be the static resource. This one, and now we have it in there. And for sure, okay. I guess it's in here. That's gonna be the metadata string. That's okay. To be honest, I need the right stuff in there. So we have to read metadata. And the read metadata is like this one. Comma separated field names. Yes. So we have to read metadata. And so we're gonna have an endpoint. So let's say we are just putting in the system dot debug, and then we can say first one, second one, something like this, and then we say we need to put in the get endpoint. So we can just get the endpoint. Hit save. For sure, let's not run test. No, let's run test because I want to get this one here. Let's say run test. Let's say this one, and I want to get it like this one. What the? This one, we have the first one is gonna be the first one. So this is gonna be this one. And also we just get it like, oh, we're not getting another one. That's pretty interesting, to be honest. Okay, we're not getting another one. We are just getting one. Okay. But actually we are just having a request in here, And also we have set an endpoint in here. But what we can make, we are able to, we can just, oh, for sure. Maybe that is why there's coming in an error, and so it's not working out. Let's say no content something, yeah. No content. No content to map, blah blah blah. This field is untyped. Create working times 46. Here 46. It's the lat 46. It's in here, but some kind of is there a metadata string? I guess there's no in a test. There's no metadata string, so we cannot get anything out of there for sure. And so there is no metadata string. Yeah, there's empty, and so this error is coming. But I want to know actually which endpoint is gonna be this. So I will just get the endpoint. Let's say I will just do this and get the endpoint. To be honest, get the endpoint. And then we have the endpoint. This is what I want to make sure that I'm getting the endpoint. And the HTTP Google request we already had, I think. Yes, we do. For sure this one is... Okay, by now it's going to be finished soon, so this is going to be the last I'm going to do. So this is going to be this one. This is the last thing I'm doing. No? It's the last thing. So we're going to do like... setting the mock. Otherwise we will say direct.get endpoint dot equals this one, and then we go like this, did one, yeah, and if something like this, then there's gonna happening something, okay? Yeah, let's say we just get for sure the new response. The new response is gonna go like this. Then we're gonna have the static resource. Like this. And then hit save. And then we got it, yeah. We just can hit the test button, but for now it's gonna be fine, I think. So no content to map. Okay. let's go for it next time. Yeah, that's gonna be it. No content to map. We will follow the instructions later again, but for now it's gonna be fine, I guess. I think the mock is just working one time, but for this we need to read through it a little bit to understand the mock a little bit better. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed, and see you the next time.